Hi there, mga beloved yung soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi naabangan. Sinusubaybay ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood at nakabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ang ating pong reading and pagkasamahan ay ang ating reading para sa buwan ng May 2026. What to expect on May 2026 para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Virgo. Okay, Virgo Sun Moon Rising, this is for you. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di po pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe po, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this in our TikTok account, pakifollow na rin po. And if you want to be in a private reading, mag-message lang po kayo. Important notice po, hindi po ako yung unang mag-message po sa inyo. Kapag may nag-chat po sa inyo, mag-offer ng private reading, hindi po ako yun. Ha? So, ikaw po ang mauuna mag-chat po sa akin at pag-usapan po natin kung paano kayo makakapag-avail ng slot for private reading. Ulitin ko, this is for you, Virgo, for May 2026 reading. Alright? Kunin na natin ang isang pong baraha. Huwag na natin patagalin pa ito. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 10 cards please for Virgo. Alright. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. You're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. 4, 5, 6, 7. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit. 8, 9, 10. Alright, Virgo. Your 10 cards are now complete. Huwag na natin pang patagalin ito because I know napakarami mga Virgo kong soulmates na nag-abang. For May 2026, let's begin with your first card. Wow! Okay. We have here the Moon card in reverse. So, the energy that I can feel here, Virgo, by May 2026, this is a total healing or recovery from the past traumas and past wounds that you've experienced nitong mga nakaraang buwan. Maybe January, February, March, and April, it was so overwhelming na yung parang yung emotions mo are scattered. You don't know how you feel. You don't know how to explain kung anong nararamdaman mo. Aside from you're down mentally, you're down physically, but seems that your emotion is very unstable. But since the Moon card is now in reverse, I can see, sabi ko nga, by May 2026, this is a new you. Bagong ikaw ito, Virgo. So, everyone will be surprised. Everyone will be, kumbaga, gugulatin mo ang lahat dito sa transformation na meron ka. Okay, so, the Moon in reverse card is, I can see here, a total healing, moving on, closure sa mga past experiences. Painful man ito or kung ano man itong nagbigay sa'yo or nag-cause sa'yo ng mga hindi magandang experience. So you are now going to move on by May 2026. This is a total recovery for you. Alright? So, gandang panimulang baraha, Virgo. So we have here the Two of Cups in reverse again. So, what does it mean? So, expect makikita natin dito ang dating Virgo na kumbaga kayang, kasi lately parang hindi, sabi ko this past month sa sobrang overwhelming na mga pinagdaanan mo, alam mo na kahit hindi ikaw ito, kumbaga lumabas ka sa comfort zone mo. Anong gusto kong sabihin? Yung Virgo na dating ginagawa yung mga problema o sinusolusyonan o hinaharap yung mga problema na mag-isa, kinakaya nila yon. But lately, nakita natin na parang hindi mo na talaga kaya to the point na humingi ka na ng tulong sa iba. But with the Two of Cups here, by May 2026, everything will be very smooth. Everything will be solved, will be done. Gagawin mo on your own again. This is sabi ko nga, makikita naman natin ang dating sigla, ang dating Virgo na kumbaga kaya niyang gampanan, kaya niyang harapin ang lahat and solve everything sa sarili niya. Okay? Because Virgos are very independent kind of people. You are very smart, you are very skillful and talented, and walang problema na hindi niyo nalulusutan at walang mga bagay na hindi niyo nakagawa ng paraan. Right? So, by May 2026, we have here the Six of Cups. I can see here na parang may magta-travel sa inyo. Babalik kayo doon sa mga moments, sa mga lugar na parang biglang magpa-flashback yung memories nyo tungkol sa childhood. It's more on nostalgia. Marami kayong mga babalikang memories. You're going to reconnect with your friends, your loved ones na parang matagal na walang communication. It's like a reunion. It's like a meet up or connecting together. Okay, after all those stressful days and months before na pinagdaanan mo, Virgo, it's more on reconnection dito. Nakikita ko nagpaplano ka mag-travel, umuwi muna sa probinsya, mag-unwind. It's like meeting your old colleagues, high school friends, high school and college classmates. It's more on nostalgia dito. So, tingnan natin, Virgo. Right? So, pang-apat mong baraha is the Six of Pentacles. So still, Virgo, as a kind of responsible person, I can see her by May 2026. It's because unti-unti ko na nakaka-recover. It's more on recovery for you. Now, may unti-unti ka nang nasisave muli. Unlike from the past months, depleted talaga. It's like deficit. Wala. Puro palabas yung pera. But now, by 2020, May 2026, I can see her na makakatulong ka na muli. Nakikita ko dito yung Virgo na unti-unti na naman tinutupad yung mga promises nila sa mga kapamilya nila, like sa people around them na tutulungan nila, but parang na-delay kasi parang nagka-problema sa finances. But May 2026, this is the kind of Virgo, sabi ko nga, na makikita natin muli na it's more on giving, it's more on paying back or giving back again to the community, to the people who trusted them, who walk with them during those darkest moments of their lives. Alright? So, this is a very good card here. Pito is the Fool card. So, I can see here by May 2026, Virgo, you will be, there's like you're going to take a leap of faith, you're going to take a risk, but it's more on, kumbaga, a type of risk na more on, kumbaga, level up. This is a level up for you. Marami ka natutunan, you're going to use all the learnings that you had for the past months of failures and disappointments, and now you're going to live your life to the fullest. Taking risk na, a kind of risk na hindi ka matatakot. This is a kind of risk na parang, Virgo, talagang ginusto mo. Hindi ito yung parang nabigla ka lang. It's like, because alam ko mga Virgo, mahilig, sumugal. Not literally na sugal na sa, may perang involved, but sumugal sa mga opportunities. This is because you believe your mindset is like about kailan nyo pa susubukan kung hindi ngayon. Okay? So I can see here also by May 2026, this is more on going outside of your home. Kasi lately, di ba, nanahimik kayo, puro lang kayo sa loob. It's been, parang nag-deactivate kayo. It's like distansya kayo sa social media and even your friends. But now, it's more on makikita muli natin ang sigla ng mga Virgo. You're going to go outside again. It's more makikita natin na yung exposure mo, it's more makikipag-reconnect ka again. It's more on presence. Alright? So, I can see here more on enjoyment. Loving yourself on May 2026. Sige. We have 5 cards left. And ulitin ko, before we proceed, kapag di mo pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please follow our TikTok account, Renzo Tarot 404. Alright? So, Virgo, para sa May 2026, we have here the 7 of Wands. Virgo, mag-doble ingat sa mga, I know you're very smart. Malakas ang intuition mo. You know that there are people that are not happy around you. It's like, sabi ko nga, lagi itong lumalabas kapag nag-read ako ng Virgo, because sabi ko, there are a lot of people na parang nanggagalaite, naiinggit, naiirita, na nakikita nilang muli kang bumabangon, Virgo. It seems na parang nanahimik ka nga, hindi mo pinapaalam sa kanila. But still, the universe has its own way para i-reveal or ibunyag ang lahat ng nangyayari para sa'yo. And it triggers these people na galit na galit. So, expect, Virgo, by May 2026, there's a person or there's some people na parang will trigger you, ipaprovoke ka, just to get your reaction kung papatol ka or kakagat ka sa, patibong nila. But, dead man lang ito, Virgo. Alam mo yan, prone ka sa mga evil eye, prone ka sa mga taong inggitera. It's because they cannot keep up on you. Hindi ka nila kaya sabayan. Hindi nila kaya yung mga mindset mo and your philosophies in life that makes you great. Alright? So, just focus on your goal. Dead man na lang. Don't be distracted by these people. We have here the 9 of Cups. This is good news. So, this is stability. This is blessing for you. Sabi ko, tuloy-tuloy na ito, Virgo. Lagi kong sinasabi for the past readings I have. So, this is more on, sabi ko, kumbaga sa first quarter, January, February, March, medyo medyo sluggy pa, medyo mabagal pa. But here comes the April. This will be the acceleration. Mabilis na. Tuloy-tuloy na ito. Nakikita natin with this card, with the 9 of Cups. This is more on, kumbaga, reward or recognition after all the efforts na ginawa mo. So, just believe and, this is more on, kumbaga, pag-harvest ng reward ng lahat ng paghihirap na ginawa mo for this past months. Alright? So, tingnan natin. We have here the Tower card. So, this is collapse or ending of a certain situation, institution, or situation na parang nagpahirap sa'yo lately, but it's more on rebirth. Alam naman natin, if there's an ending, there's a new beginning for you. The Tower card, this Tower card signifies Virgo that sabi ko nga, It's like an acceleration of your situation. Tapos na, wala na, hindi mo na babalikan yun. Move on ka na with this past painful experiences, disappointments, and frustrations. You just focus on your goals, focus on your what you want to do, believe in yourself, put your faith on the universe because this is more on movement na talaga. Non-stop na to, walang makakapigil na si Virgo. So there's something about to end but this is more on, sabi ko nga, yung mga bagay na hindi na nag-work para sa'yo and it will be replaced by something new, something bigger, something happier for you, Virgo, which you truly deserve it. Right? So we have here the King of Swords. So this is more on you. Be bold, be brave, be honest with yourself. You don't need to apologize. You don't need to adjust. Hindi mo na kailangan pag-adjust pa sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. Kung dati more on humihingi ka pa ng advice, more on iniisip mo pa yung iisipin nila. But now it's, I can see by May 2026 with the King of Swords here, a kind of Virgo na kumbaga wala nang aatrasan, full of confidence, hindi na mahihiya. It's like, it's like a total transformation for you but this is for your own good kasi matagal na panahon na parang naabuso ka, ginamit yung kabaitan mo, yung pananahimik mo, your very clean heart, sincere intention, but now it's more on, transformation for you in a way na hindi ka na magagamit, mag-abuso. It's more, all of your decisions will be based on your own discernment or your own thinking, pagre-research, everything. So, just continue doing it, Virgo, because that will help you greatly. Alright, so 10th and last card mo for your May 2026 reading, we have here the Five of Swords. Okay, there's still people around you na unhappy. They are envious of your recovery, sinabi ko nga. Kasi, they are so happy pag nakikita kang down. But by May 2026, mas marami ka pang madidiscover ng mga taong ganito. So, the universe will reveal all of these people for you to identify them, para malaman mo sila, para maiwasan mo sila, for you to cut them off. And it's because it will cause you, kumbaga, negativities. They will give you, kumbaga, what is this? Toxicities. Hindi sila magandang kasama sa paligid. Yeah, it's a blessing in disguise that by May 2026, you will be knowing them. Okay, malalaman mo sila. There will be a revelation. So, expect na may mga taong matutuklasan ka na they are talking behind your back, they are doing something dark, okay, sa paligid mo, and all of your life you thought they're okay. All of your life, kumbaga akala mo sila yung taong kumbaga forgive for you, but Virgo, I know it's been a long time na may kutob ka na because your intuition is very strong and hindi na ito surprising sa'yo. Right? So, this is a very beautiful reading for you on May 2026. I'm wishing you all the best in life, Virgo. Thank you so much sa inyong muling pagsama. And sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal, mga Virgo kong soulmates, sa laging pag-abang nasa mga kayo naroroon, ano naman ang ginagawa nyo, mag-ingat kayo lagi and God bless us all.